Hey yo, what up, beautiful people? It's your boy Mana, aka palmwinepapi. Welcome back again to the channel. If you are new here, definitely check out the rest of the content. I review Afro pop, Afrobeats, and everything Nigerian music, the latest and greatest of Nigerian music. Let's go. Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, we are looking at Adekunle God himself, man. AG Babies back again, trying to follow up on that transition that he has already set up for himself. He just released an album from last year, Afropop Volume 1. If you haven't seen my review to that from my previous channel, actually, go check it out. I think he is still making that transition very well known. His statement and his stance has always been that of standing against his, I won't say as always, but in recent times, part of his transition has been able to, as part of his transition, the narrative that he has been coming with most of his songs is just him standing up for himself and being unapologetic about the direction he's taking his career now, and just standing up to the haters, man. And I feel like that's been his stance, that's been his motive, that's been his drive lately, and you can definitely hear it in the music. You can definitely hear the confidence in his music that it's been next level. It's been next level. I'm excited about this one. This one is called It Is What It Is, and it's coming with a music video too. And it's very interesting once you're setting up a song and a video off the gate, man. I feel like you're putting so much energy behind this particular one, so it means it has to amount for something. So I'm excited to check out the visuals. I'm excited to check out the song as well. So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's get right into it. Oh shit, give me Oriki. Let's go. Yo, these scenes are insane. These shots are sick. These shots are sick. Some Nat Geo type thing, man. Damn. Wow. It's on the mountains. He doesn't like drama. Wow, this is next level, man. Oof. Yo, who shot this? Who's responsible for this? This is sick. This is like, bro, it's not the way he stood up as if it was Assassin's Creed or something. Nah, this is sick. Everything about this is sick. Okay? Oof.
People we know they feed you, always the first to talk about your life. Look at
this is the energy is coming off again. It's that standoffish, that confrontational energy that, hey, I know he's going to tap into that energy again.
You know they feed you, always the first to talk about your life. Look at the irony, shame you for public, on the beg for side. Don't get it.
That's mad. The direction that he's going with here, he's saying people are shaming him in public and then come behind closed doors and beg them. And I'm like, bro, he's directing this at someone. There's someone in his life that has probably done this before.
I know the kids ask you that shit is not healthy.
Hey!
Keeping my distance, some people are worse than pandemic. If we go
says some people are worse than pandemic. Damn. Alright. It's not Ruga. It's not Ruga we're talking about today. It's not Ruga.
Keeping my distance, some people are worse than pandemic. If we go cause my peace, then I go take my leave. If it no be money, do not disturb me, please.
I like this energy. Every creative should have that stance, man. Like, if it's like, bro, like if like, you have to understand my worth. You can't just come here with any idea or this. No, you got to come correct. You got to come correct when addressing me, and I like that. I don't go this taking that direction here, man.
If it no be money,
do not disturb
me, please.
Don't disturb me,
If it
please.
go cost my peace,
If it's going to cost me peace, let's go.
if it no be money, do not disturb me, please.
Uh-huh.
Man, this roll on. It is what it is. Yeah.
Hey, okay.
Man, we be live on.
Alright.
Man, this roll on.
It is what it is. Okay. I love this entire look. Just the vibe of this video, man. The scene, the location, bro. This lights. Okay, the visuals are there. The visuals are there. Like his drip is there. Like the accessories. Like, damn it, bro. Adekunle Gordon lately, man. Like his fashion game is peak in this industry, man. Peak. Like you can't step with Adekunle Gordon when it comes to the drip, man. You can't. Hey.
Money no they bring happiness, so now when I get money I realize so. But I know be hypocrite. I dey pray make you get your own too.
That's actually real. That's real. That's very real. He's saying money doesn't bring happiness because he has realized that once he got money, he's getting that check. Afropop is doing numbers. Okay, he's getting checks. He's getting that guap, and it's saying like even after all of that, like it doesn't bring complete fulfillment. It doesn't bring complete happiness, and he's letting you. And he's still saying at the same time he wants everyone to get their money. He's like at the same time, everyone go get your coins, man. I appreciate that sense of honesty in the entire process. He's calling himself a hypocrite, man. I like that. I like the level of honesty in this song, man.
But I know be hypocrite. I dey pray make you get your own too. See bad times will never last. And let me lose my last, yo. Life comes at you so fast.
It does.
You don't become waiting you hate, yo. Okay.
That is real. Life comes at you. Like you might be saying one day, you might be thinking, oh my gosh, when I'm like my boyfriend or my girlfriend will have this list, check. But life will come at you fast. You'll be like, and no, but like, yeah, that's so real, man. There's like so many things can happen, man. Like, yo, this is one of Adekunle Gold's one of his very, very, very honest records, man. And like you can't touch that, man. You can't touch that level of honesty for
Comes
sure.
at you so fast. Small time you don't become waiting you hate, yo. Okay, they hate their lives and they're lonely. No energy for nobody. They know they happy for me.
A lot of cotton has been blowing inside this video. I'm here for it. It's just a blow, just to make them blow. A lot of nice silk fabrics. The wind is just blowing it. I like it.
For me, okay, you hate your life and you lonely. No energy.
Damn, that's sad. That's sad, bro. That's sad. It says you hate your life and you're lonely. What does this person do to you, Adekunle?
Okay, you hate your life and you lonely. No energy for nobody.
Hey.
No waste your time, man. I know, say yo. If it go cost my peace, then I go take my leave. If it no be money, do not disturb me, please. If it go cost my peace.
Yo, I love the like the level of honesty is so relatable. Like I feel like the song, the idea of the song, the idea of the hook especially, it's something that will get you like you can see yourself in the song. You can definitely tie that kind of narrative to a situation in your life. And I like when artists do that. They can be able to capture some essence that is very common to human beings and like something so relatable like that, man. And he definitely hit it with this one, man. Like he definitely did.
That's some expensive shit, though. If it no be money, do not disturb.
It's planting something here. There's some interesting story here.
Shit, though. If it no be money, do not disturb me, please. Life is a roller. It is what it is. Man is a river.
Don't bother yourself. You know? This is like Hollywood, man. Let's go. Who's on this sax? This person deserves cold motto. Hey. Nah, this is wavy, man. This is wavy. This got me excited about the new album, man. I was expecting for a background vocals, and I think we got it. We finally got it. I was waiting for it. I was like, is Simi not in the back? Like, let's hear our wife now. Okay, not our wife, but yeah. Hey. Nah, just a nice touch of Simi at the end, right there. That was sick. Man, these visuals, up there, top notch, man, top notch. I liked it. I enjoyed it. I enjoyed the video. I enjoyed more of the song. Like, the song is actually where it's at. It is what it is. Like, if it's not bringing me peace, then if it's costing me peace of mind, then I'm not here. But like, I just push you all, like, keep your distance. Some people are what's the pandemic, like, yeah, I like that energy. I like that standoffish narrative that, again, like I said, that Adekunle has always been. If you go back to the Afropop album, you hear that sentiment in songs like AG Baby. You hear that sentiment very strong and okay. Like, it's very, very, like, he's there. Like, that's the consistency I've been seeing with his songs. That's the narrative he has been pushing on very recently, and I'm here for it. This is in the pocket of the Afropop wave that sound that he's starting to tap into, and it's very, 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 like, it's very, very reminiscent of that Afropop wave, and yeah, he's making himself like a substantial, like, A-list top level superstar, like, he's pushing himself to that level, and I think he's on his way, man. He's on his way there. And yeah, shout out to Adekunle. Honestly, still hands down the greatest performance I've ever witnessed live. I'm a big fan of his. I love the song. This song actually did it for me. Thank you so much for. I'm curious what you guys think about this one. It is what it is, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.